This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 17th of May. I'm Michael Groff. We're starting the week with temperatures slightly below average, along with isolated showers and thunderstorms across northern Arizona. A bit warmer tomorrow and Wednesday with a few showers still across parts of the state. And then another round of cooler and breezy weather in here for the rest of the week heading into the weekend. And of course, we'll take a look at that question. Do we have any shot at rain here in Phoenix? Let's talk about it first. Yesterday, 93 degrees, the afternoon high for your Sunday, the morning low 69, pretty close to those normals of 94 and 70. And as we take a look outside right now, here at 7:50 a.m., sunny sky out there sitting at 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 30, relative humidity 22%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, 56 is the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 62 Thompson Peak, 63 at Goldfield. Otherwise, we are mainly in the mid-60s to mid-70s through the metro. The upper air look shows an area of low pressure across the southwest, and that's going to help hold temperatures down today. But with the main dynamic support staying just to the north of us, any chance of rain will stay across northern Arizona and through the Four Corners region. Here's the watch warning map. We've got flood watches over parts of Texas and Oklahoma, a couple of flash flood warnings over sections of Arkansas, red flag warnings up north across Montana and North Dakota. The convective outlook for today, things getting rather active. We've got the moderate risk of severe storms. That is level 4 out of 5 for parts of West Texas around Lubbock and Plainview. The enhanced risk to include Amarillo, Fort Worth, Midland. And then the risk of severe storms extends as far east as parts of Louisiana and Arkansas. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, some light rain possible up across the rim country with our system today and lingering into tomorrow. But will we see any more unsettled weather as we move further into the forecast period? We'll talk about that and everything else too as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Low pressure here across the Four Corners region today. And with those heights a little bit below average, that should help to hold temperatures down somewhat. So down at the surface today, sunny to mostly sunny sky here in Phoenix. High temperatures should be in the mid-80s to near 90. And that's a little bit below our climatological averages. Isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over the high country of northern and eastern Arizona today. But those will be mainly high-based storms, not likely to produce much in terms of significant rainfall, mostly lightning and wind producers. Tonight, clear sky, overnight lows mainly in the 60s to about 70. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms still possible across northern and eastern Arizona. And with that wraparound moisture here, yes, we might just see a stray shower or storm try to sneak into the far northern or eastern parts of the Phoenix metro area. Up around Scottsdale, Carefree, Cave Creek, you just might catch an afternoon storm. But even if that were to occur, again, these are high-based storms, mainly wind and lightning producers. I guess there could be a sprinkle. Significant rain is not anticipated. High temperatures tomorrow should be just a little bit warmer too, likely in the low to maybe middle 90s. On Wednesday, the low pressure moves out. A brief shortwave ridge moves on in here, and this should likely give us our warmest temperatures of the forecast period, highs somewhere between 95 and 100. The sky's sunny. Then Thursday, we see another area of low pressure beginning to develop over the Great Basin. And the implication on our weather would be another cooling trend, a round of breezy conditions coming in here, maybe even locally windy. High temperatures fall off several degrees. And again, the possibility of widely scattered showers and storms, I would say mainly north of Arizona and over the Great Basin as well. But can't completely rule out an isolated storm someplace, but certainly not here in the valley. Then as we go to Friday, that low continues to just sit out there over the Great Basin. Scattered showers and thunderstorms over the Sierra and across much of Nevada, up into parts of Oregon, maybe Idaho, and some moisture beginning to get drawn northward, but east of Arizona across the Rockies. So it looks like we're probably going to stay dry across much of the state through this period, but there is still some model uncertainty here. Most of the ensemble guidance says we'll stay dry, but there are a few members that try to introduce some moisture, some chances of rain across parts of the state, maybe even here in the valley. At this point, we're just keeping the forecast mostly sunny and dry. High temperatures somewhere in the mid-80s to around 90. Same thing on Saturday. Breezy conditions, highs mid-80s to near 90, with mostly sunny sky and any rain chances stay to our north and west and off to the east of us as well across New Mexico and Colorado points north. On Sunday, that low begins to lift out into the northern Rockies and weaken as it does. Temperatures should warm up at least a couple of degrees here, with the sky remaining sunny to mostly sunny. Then a week from today, this is Monday the 24th, big ridge in the east, but out here in the west, troughing should continue across the Pacific Northwest and the northern Rockies, and what that will do is suppress any major ridging from developing over the southwest. So temperatures should stay at or maybe even slightly below average during this period. And no threat of rain or anything like that, but certainly we like to hear about temperatures staying below the triple digits, and that is likely to happen if this verifies. Now, this is Tuesday the 25th. A weak shortwave begins to approach us from the west, and that would give us another round of breezy conditions. Temperatures might back off a couple of degrees. And looking out 10 days, this is Wednesday the 26th. Still have troughing over the Pacific Northwest, unsettled weather there. Around here, broad west to southwesterly flow, no ridging, so that means temperatures should stay at or below average. Good news. Now, as we take a look at precipitation for the Phoenix area, this runs out through the beginning of June, coming off of the GFS ensemble. You've got 31 members here, and over 70% are still showing nothing, but yes, several members in the cluster here do have some extremely light rain around, but the ensemble mean remains insignificant. So we will watch model trends to see if things change, but right now it still looks like the forecast will remain dry. And as we look at temperatures off the national blend of models, the warmest day for this week appears to be Wednesday with a high pretty close to 100 degrees, and then we'll back it off later in the week and by this weekend. And any warm up for next week still remains to be seen. And that should do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a phenomenal Monday.